Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 12 pack of storage containers. These are really nice because they're stackable and they are transparent. So you can see what you put in there, whether it's for clothes, shoes, office items, anything like that. You could label them if you wanted to, or you could just look in there and see it. They have these unique lids that make them stackable to where they won't slide around on top of there because of this inset right here. And then each container has its own lockable lid, so you can then pick them up and take them with you. I'll bring you in here close and we'll fill these up a little bit so you can see just how well they stack up. So here's the container up close. On the top, it's 13.4. The bottom is 11.3, and then it's 7.4 inches across and 4.9 inches tall. So here's the inside of it. You've got your lid that's kind of got that inset. And then your inside transparent part. And you can easily store things if you had pairs of shoes you wanted to put in there and stack those up. And that would then just kind of keep the dust out and any other issues that you might have. This is a pack of 12 of these, so it's a nice amount that you would then be able to use and stack up in however many areas you wanted to. You can put them on shelves, you can put them in the closet, you can do all sorts of different things, office equipment. These are just really versatile. I love how easily they stack up, how you can carry them with the nice little handles on the side here. It's real easy to do and undo. It's a nice pack of storage containers.